Get into the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Take control of the journey in comfort and style. Get into the Grand Cherokee.